In primetime news this evening, church leaders ecstatic.
We were preaching to the cameras. Now at least we can see at least 60 people in church.
Churches prepare to reopen this weekend. Job cuts unavoidable. Public sector union questions suggestion from the government. And care challenges. New protocol for beneficiaries to access government care package. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the lifting of restrictions on bars and churches?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.